Hello everyone and welcome to Information Technology. In this video I will show you how to clear the RAM caches on Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating system. Sometimes it's really annoying when your PC or laptop goes very slow just because of the cached memory. I'll be sharing a very simple method through which you can clear the RAM cache and boost your Windows 10 or Windows 11 performance. So let me open my task manager. Right click on the start menu and then click on task manager. Once we are in here, we will click on the performance tab. So here, as you can see, the different memories we have, the CPU, we have the memory. So we will click on the memory. The cache RAM memory right now is 3.4 gigabytes. Okay, I'll open this website, which is really easy to do. So in here, this program is called a ramp map. So we will click on a ramp, download a ramp map. Okay, so once it's done, we will click on show in folder, and here we will right click on it, and then we will click on extract all. All right, so click on extract. So the one with the large size, we are gonna click on that. It is this one, 662 kilobyte. Okay, so we will click on run as administrator, and then click on yes, and then click on agree, and then from the top left side, we will click on the second menu, which is empty, and then from here we will click on empty standby list. But before that, I want you to keep looking in here. Right now my cache memory is 3.5 gigabyte, and then look, as I click on this empty standby list, decreasing and coming down. Okay, so let me click on that, and as you can see, it's 119 MB right now. So this is very easy to do. So I suggest that you do not uninstall this program, this ROM from your computer. Just have it there and do this operation once in a while when you have your computer open for a long time and you haven't restarted your computer. So in this video, we learned how to empty the cached memory of our ROM on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you next time.